Hi, here we are discussing schedules in Constitution of India. Numbers, subject matter, articles covered. First schedule. Subject matter is 1. Number of states and their territorial jurisdiction. Articles covered 1 and 4. The second is name of the union territories and their extent. The articles covered is 1 and 4. Then second schedule, provisions relating to emoluments, allowances, privileges and so on. Articles covered are 59, 65, 75, 97, 125, 148, 158, 164, 186 and 221. Here the subject matter, provisions relating to emoluments, allowance, privileges and so on. That includes 1. President of India, then second, the governor of states, then third, the speaker and deputy speaker of Lok Sabha, fourth, the chairman and deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha, 5. The speaker and the deputy speaker of legislative assembly in the states, 6. The chairman and deputy chairman of the Legislative Council in the states. 7. The judges of the Supreme Court. 8. The judges of High Courts. 9. The Comptroller and Auditor General, of India. Once again, the articles covered herein are 59, 65, 75, 97, 125, 148, 158, 164, 186 and 221. Third schedule. The subject matters are form of oaths or affirmations for 1. The union ministers, 2. The candidates for election to the parliament, 3. Members of parliament, 4. The judges of Supreme Court, 5. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India, 6. The state ministers, 7. The candidates for election to the state legislature, 8. The members of the state legislature, 9. The judges of the high courts. The articles covered are 75, 84, 99, 124, 146, 173, 188 and 219. The next is fourth schedule. The subject matter is allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha to the states and their union territories. The articles covered are 4 and 80. Fifth schedule. Provisions relating to the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. The articles covered are 244. Sixth schedule. Provisions relating to administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The articles covered are 244 and 275. Seventh schedule. Division of powers between union and the states in terms of list 1, union list, list 2, state list, list 3, concurrent list. Presently, and the union state contains 100 subjects, originally 97. The state list contains 61 subjects, originally 66. And the concurrent list contains 52 subjects, originally 147. The articles covered is 246. The eighth schedule. Languages recognized by the subject matter is, the schedule is 8th schedule and the subject matter is languages recognized by the constitution. Originally it had 14 languages, but presently there are 22 languages. They are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Dongri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Mathili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. Sindhi was added by the 21st Amendment Act of 1967. Konkani, Manipuri, and Nepali were added by the 71st Amendment Act of 1992. And Bodo, Dongri, Maithili and Santali were added by the 92nd Amendment Act of 2003. The articles covered are 344 and 351. The next is 9th schedule. The subject matter is Acts and Regulations, originally 13 but presently 282 of the state legislatures, dealing with land reforms and abolition of the zamindari system, and of the parliament dealing with other matters. This schedules was added by the First Amendment 1951, to protect the laws included in it from judicial scrutiny on the ground of violation of fundamental rights. However, in 2007, the Supreme Court ruled that the laws included in the schedule after April 24, 1973 are now open to judicial review. The articles covered are 31B. The next is 10th schedule. Herein, the subject matter is provisions relating to disqualification of the member of parliament and state legislatures on the ground of defection. This schedule was added by the 52nd Amendment Act of 1985, also known as Anti-Defection Law. The articles covered are 102 and 191. Next is 11th schedule. Specifies the powers, authority and responsibility of panchayats. It has 29 matters. This schedule was added by the 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. The articles covered are 243G. The next is 12th schedule. Specifies the powers, authority and responsibility of municipalities. It has 18 matters. This schedule was added by the 74th Amendment Act of 1992. The articles covered are 243W. Thank you.